Ever accidentally deleted a precious Instagram memory and thought it was gone forever? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to bring those deleted photos and videos back to life using Instagram's handy recently deleted feature. First things first, open up your Instagram app and head to your profile page. Once you're there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu that appears, you'll want to find and tap on your activity. Now, scroll down through your activity until you see an option labeled recently deleted. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll see all the posts, photos, videos, reels, and even stories you've deleted in the last 30 days. If you want to restore something, simply tap on the content you wish to bring back. Once you've selected your content, you'll see an option to restore it. Tap on that. Instagram will then ask you to confirm. Tap restore again. And just like that, your cherished memory is back where it belongs. This feature is a lifesaver for those accidental deletion moments. Remember, you only have 30 days to recover content, so act fast if you realize you've made a mistake. So there you have it, €1, a quick and easy way to recover your deleted Instagram posts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Instagram tips.